I'd like to introduce you to a very special guest, Evangel University President Rakes. President Rakes is deeply passionate about helping students develop spiritually, mentally, and socially. With new programs, projects, and building campaigns, Evangel is truly becoming a university of the future. President Rakes, please take it away.
Thanks, Alex. This generation of students has a deep desire to make their life count, to use their time in a meaningful way. However, education alone is not enough. Something else is missing. And in these uncertain times where we're experiencing troubling global issues and challenges, the world needs difference makers. That's why you need more than just an education. You need life transformation. And truthfully, that's the secret sauce here at Evangel. There's a transformational experience waiting for you here. At Evangel, we believe followers of Christ should intentionally set their personal career trajectories toward every vocation in the world. Evangel University prepares you for the significant work that you will accomplish, and every one of our graduates not only experiences personal transformation, but has the skill of being innovative in whatever vocation they choose. With the compassion of God's Spirit and the courage to innovate, our graduates get jobs upon graduation. Evangel has generated business executives, professional athletes, teachers, artists, musicians, accountants, attorneys, and nonprofit and church leaders worldwide. At EU, you'll become a lifelong learner, a confident communicator, and a real-world problem solver. Business owners and Fortune 500 companies are all experiencing accelerated changes in their businesses, and they're looking for sharp young minds to innovate responses to the challenges. Here, you'll gain the skills you need to do just that. Our faculty members have decades of experience in business, research science, education, artistic expression, practical ministry, and theological study to help you build a strong foundation for your future. Evangel University will help you find yourself and make an impact right here and right now, and use your life to make the most remarkable difference possible. As you consider your college options, we invite you to be a part of the amazing community and culture here at Evangel University. Take it away, Alex.
Thank you, President Rakes. In just the first year of Dr. Rakes' tenure as president, Evangel saw a record number of donations, the adoption of a new mascot, Valor, and the completed construction of many major campus upgrades. The future certainly looks bright for the Evangel Valor. Thanks again, Dr. Rakes.